in the hip-hop manner. We come a long way from a verse thick Blake to a dark sun ray.
And you are tuned in to the Message Music Station, and you're listening to Weapon X. Of course, that's by the great group out of Philly, the X Clan. And we got, I believe this is a East Coast mix called Self-Destruction that's coming up. Y'all stay tuned as we continue to roll the jams.
How it goes, son, there's nothing to guess. You can be a strange fruit and be straight innocent. Weapon X, I'm back for the next level boom. He's back, silly models, dark sun, give me room. Weapon X, Grand Bird, modern day Doc Doom. I'm on for the jihad, the cypher. Frederick Douglass, Wheatley, Carver, Clayton Jr., David Walker, Sonny Carson to H-Rap Brown. Ancestry that walked the black crowd. Think. As if you were born in the stars, enrolled in the army of Abdul-Jabbar's. Think. As if you were born in the guards and you end up immortal getting whiplash scars. Never forget from whence you're from. Mastering tenors of peace and freedom. Dance to the rhythm of the evolved drum. Never humdrum, you're dealing with the sun. It's a horizon of the loud, proud, free. Sneaky, quickie plans to deplete, just feed. Now my attitude is worse than an AK. Clip never stopping when my sweet tongue sprayed. Ever essence of flight, keeping it tight. We mad futuristic, we offer insight. Weapon X, back for the next level boom.
America has a very serious problem. Not only does America have a very serious problem, but our people have a very serious.
You're listening to the Message Music Station, and of course this is Self-Destruction by the East Coast Hip Hop All-Stars, a throwback to the 1980s. Y'all stay tuned as we keep rolling the classics.
Self-destruction, yeah, it was self-destruction. Self-destruction, yeah, it was self-destruction.
Well, today's topic, self-destruction, it really ain't the rap audience is bugging. It's one or two suckers, ignorant brothers, trying to rob and steal from one another.